In this feature video, we're going to go through how to install your licenses in Graylog. So first what we'll do is we'll go into Enterprise and Overview, and we'll see the cluster ID here for your cluster. As well below that, you'll see Graylog Enterprise is enabled or is running. You've installed the Graylog Enterprise Edition to give you all of the enterprise features. So next what we'll do is we are going to take the option to go and install licenses. You'll see this button. Click it, and in the email, you'll paste your complete key in here. I have 2 licenses. I just installed my Graylog Security, so I'm going to go and install my Graylog Enterprise. So I click on it again and copy the Enterprise into window, and now both keys or licenses are installed. So if you then need to use all the features that are listed in the Enterprise menu noted here, you've now got access to all of those individual features. Next, after you've installed your licenses, let's look at installing Illuminate. You may choose to install Illuminate, and you'll see this notification here under the Enterprise menu. If you go to Enterprise Illuminate, you'll notice that you have the option to download via the internet the actual individual bundles. This one's version 5.2. There could be a newer release comes out from this video, but we'll download version 5.2, and it will do that right within Graylog. So you click the download button, and you confirm it, and in the background, it will download. If you are in an air-gapped network, you can get this pack in a different way, so you can install it and move it to your cluster. You would contact customer service and they can get that arranged for you. So while this is downloading, you'll see that it just brought the pack in, version 5.2 in security. There's a number of different individual core bundles and packs for spotlights and parsing. This gives you all of your products that are available in Graylog for parsing packs. You can do a search query here. I'm going to install a couple just to show you. I'll just highlight the core spotlight pack, core anomaly pack, and look at doing the detection spotlights. And what I'll do is add a couple more in here for Windows, and I'll click on the Windows security. I'm going to use Sysmon. I'm going to probably watch PowerShell, and I'm going to use the Sigma rules for security and the Windows security spotlight and the regional retention, and you'll click enable selected. Once you confirm, it will show you all the packs you've enabled, and you hit confirm, and it will now install. It will parse and pause the processing. So you will want to note that the logs will momentarily pause. And once it's installed, go back to the main menu. You notice when you scroll down, the green option enabled for enabled. You'll note these are enabled. When you want to change those settings, you can go back and uninstall them, and you'll notice there's additional streams and things that are converted into the custom packs showing you the streams, and now you have Illuminate. This ends our video how to install your licenses and to install Illuminate if you need be. Enjoy using Graylog. Thanks for watching.